Hey all my creatives, my name is Tiffany and today we're going to be making a really cool galaxy explosion with just some leftover acrylic paint. It's super easy and it doesn't take much skill at all. Before I get started, don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Alright, so let's talk about the materials. You're going to need a canvas, obviously. I'm using a canvas panel. Get any leftover paint that you want to use, painting medium to mix the paint with, if you haven't already mixed it, some cups for mixing and popsicle sticks, gloves, apron, heat gun, and a blow dryer. So first, obviously, you want to mix your paint and medium, again, if you haven't already mixed those two together. And just to let you know, there really wasn't a plan for this piece, so I just started with white paint and poured random colors from there. The main technique that I use for this piece is the kiss technique. Now, after all the paint has been poured, and I'll remind you of this after we get to this part, take your heat gun and lightly go over your piece to pop any bubbles that may be present. So let's see how this piece turns out. So here I'm just pouring the remaining amounts of paint that I have left. I literally have like corners in these cups of paint left. So I'm just pouring those kind of randomly on the canvas just to get the most paint out of those cups that I can, and to put some more paint on the canvas. So I think I ran out of white paint, and that's why I'm using the rest of the colors. So there really wasn't a plan to this. I just really wanted to use all of the paint that I had left from a previous piece. So that's all that I'm doing. I'm just randomly pouring the leftover paint so that I can continue with this piece, and yeah. All right, here's the mock-up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Bye!